Hello there, my name is John and today we are going to create a ring gear. Let's begin. Select your top plane, your circle tool, create a circle. We're going to give it dimensions. We're going to use 254 for our diameter. Then we're going to offset this circle, let's say 30 millimeters. Reverse for it to be inside. Okay. Now, after this, I'm going to go to features, extruded boss. I'll extrude it to 30 millimeter. We have a perfect circle. I'll select this face, sketch there. Then I'll select center line. Take this line, normal line to this part. Smart dimension. Here I'll make it 2 millimeters. Then from here to here, I'll make it 3 millimeters. Then I'm going to select the mirror entity. Select these two lines, mirror it against that. Now I'm going to extend these lines like that. Okay. Then I'll join these two lines here. Trim entities, cut these two lines. We have our profile, our gear profile over there. I'm going to features, extruded cut. I'll go through all both. We have our first profile over there. So I'll come here, linear patterns. I'll go to circular pattern. I'll select I'll come over this selection here, extrude cut 360 degrees. Select my point 60. Yes, that's what we want. Enter. Just like that, created our own ring gear. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a comment, and always remember to subscribe.